Hey everybody, I am going to be coloring with you my one of my new stamps that I got on, let's see, Temu. Okay, anyway, and I think I paid $2.70 for it. I'll try to leave the link below. I get the question about inks a lot, what to use. I use you can use Memento, any dye ink for your alcohol markers. For watercoloring, you need something that is waterproof. So Gina K also has an amalgam, which will work for both watercolor and alcohol inks, which is nice. And then I can use Tim Holtz Distress. What is it? I don't have it here. But anyway, or for watercolor, you can also StazOn. So, but I'm using a dye ink for this. Okay, let's move on. So I'm going to do these little boonies. And I'm not using, I like the gray with these tri-blends. It's a little too dark, so I like to use these. Oh, hoo hoo. So let's go ahead, and I'm just going to kind of outline them. And this is a warm gray, not a ice gray or... So I hope everybody's doing good. I've had somebody ask for me to show how I color in Winnie the Pooh. I will do that next. I just want to have this ready. I'm going to do a share on my different things I've done with my newest hauls from Temu. I really need to stop the old Temu hauls here. I'm telling you. Let me see if I can get in closer. There we go. Yeah. Yep. So, I'm just going to kind of outline this little dude. I think I'm going to color it in. Okay, I'll do the same here. I'm going to kind of go along the edge and then color in the inside of his ears. I'm saying he, I don't know. I don't know. Is it a boy or a girl? Hope I'm in frame. I got you on my stand, so it's hard for me to see what I'm doing. Okay. I don't have a plan with this. I did get out some colors, but yeah. We'll do it together. How about that? Okay. Make this quick and easy. How about that? Okay. Quick. Nothing is quick with me, I'm telling you. I'm a slow crafter. Okay, so I'm going to get out a light pink. That's a bright pink. I don't want bright pink. Oh my goodness, I thought I had my colors up. Got to do the ears, and I want them light. You can use your Copics. Doesn't have to be this is dusty purple. Don't want that. This is my go-to. I have Copics. Jeez, I have it all. You know that. Anyway, let's not talk about me and my supplies right now. Let's not. Pink pale shades. Okay, here we go. Sorry about having to look at my arm. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to go in with a light. Oh, that's not very light. What the heck? Dark. This is not pale pink. Oh, I'm telling you, I get stressed out. This is not what I thought it was. Bright pink, no. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. I thought I was ready. Pale. Now, here's a different pale pink. I'm telling you. Look at this. Look at the difference. A lot of times I sample it before I go into my piece. I should have done that. I wouldn't have. Oh well. It's fine. Stop stressing, Kim. It's just coloring. It's just for fun. When you start getting stressed, it's not fun anymore, right? Okay. That's okay. It'll do. It'll do. All right. Then I want yellow for... I'll come back. I'm going to do the bee's knees. Okay, here it is. Golden brown. Light golden brown. just a little bit darker. The yellow, again, some of the colors I like, but there's some that I have to really kind of work with on my going in. Just, I shouldn't put too much emphasis on that, but that's okay. And while I've got this going, I'm going to do, hopefully you're still in frame. Yep, okay. My little flowers. And then this. The Barbie babes are getting together, so that'll be fun. Just having we're planning, we're hoping to go on a trip. Some of us, I don't know that all of us, everybody will go, but I'm using a brown on this, obviously. Because to me, these are sunflowers, I don't know. Okay. What should I do here? I feel like that needs to be a different gray. I don't know, guys. Let's see here. Let me try it out on... Surely I have another piece of paper around here close by. I know I got some. Here we go. Let's see if we like that. A little dark. A little dark. Let's see. Here's a different brown gray, warm gray. Let's see what that... Yeah, okay. We'll do that. Ooh, a little dark, a little dark. Okay. I'm not real happy with this so far. I swear it's because I'm on with you guys that I stress out and do weird... Yeah, it's okay. Okay, anyway. All right, now for the wings, I usually do my ice blue. Let's see if I have blue turquoise blend, ice blue. Ooh, look at that, it's right there. I'm gonna just come in here again. Hope you can see it. So hope everybody, it's Friday when I'm filming this. I think I'm gonna upload it today. I don't know. We shall see. I so appreciate everybody's when you comment and share things with me. Everybody's so nice. It's like, I just can't tell you how much that means to me and how much I do read and try to respond. And I appreciate you guys. It's fun for me to I feel like I've got some friends in this dusty purple. Should I do yellow? Nah, I'm gonna go purple on here, and I really appreciate it. It motivates me to share more because you guys are so kind. And I appreciate that. Okay, now let's do all the greenery. Okay. You're very complimentary. I do not feel like I'm that good at what I do, but you guys always make me feel so good about it. I appreciate that. What I do to comment, and sometimes I forget, is to go back on my computer for the history and maybe that evening go back and see what I watched and comment. So, and like and all that. I try to do that as much as I can. Because it does help everybody's channel when we do. Now, is that a leaf or is that a bud? That's a bud. It's a bud. Okay. That's sad when I crack myself up. That's but I do. When you live alone, you gotta crack yourself up. I had Emma for a little bit, about hour and a half after school yesterday. She goes, "That's it?" I go, "Do you want Polish kielbasa?" And she goes, "No, Polska kielbasa." Yeah, I make that Hillshire Farm thing, and she's a picky as up because that's what I'm having for dinner. And she goes, "What is it?" I go, "It's like a giant hot dog." She goes, "Nope, I'm good." I go, "Okay, then you gotta go home." Fussy eater I'm not gonna make you something, these days they make something separate. Not my other kids. The kids eat what they get, but anyway, Emma's a fussy. So, okay. Oh, no, this one. So we love Jimmy John's. She does. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's a story for you. I made an appointment with, I was going to change to Ziply. I have Xfinity right now. It's up to $170 a month. I mean, that's just ridiculous. I'm just putting in some grass. But it's good service. I mean, anyway, so I thought I'll try Ziply, even though I'm hesitant because I've had a weird, I don't know. They're new. And if they're cheap, are they good? Blah, blah, blah. Anywho, so I thought, no, I'm going to go for it. I'm just done paying for Xfinity. Well, so I get up early today because they're going to be here from 8 to noon is what they said. Okay, so I get it ready over there to put all my gnomes away because I thought, they're going to think I'm weird. Anyway, when I get ready, I get up, take a shower earlier than I normally, all that stuff. I get an email. We won't be coming, or a text until 8. We have to cancel. Not only could they not come today, they weren't going to come till April 1st, which I'm busy that day. It's like, what? So I thought, you know what? That's a sign of bad service. And I chatted with them online. It took a while to get through, which is another thing that irked me. And, yeah, so I canceled. I was like, and they go, what? Can I ask why? And I said, yeah, I told them I took a day off from work, which obviously I didn't. But, what if I had? I said, I can't. And then, I'm not going to do that. That's bad service. A sign of a bad company. And so she said, well, I'm sorry to hear that, and canceled it. And I was like, yeah, thank you. Anyway. Yeah. So let me know, who do you use? Not that everything that's available where you live is available for me, but the other option is Verizon, which I've heard terrible things about. So it's like, yeah, either pay. So I'm sticking with It's Xfinity's part of Comcast. I don't know why they call it something different, but anyway. Where I used to live, it took years just to get. I hope you can see this. We never did get cable. We had Dish because I was way out in the Tules. But we had dial-up for so long. So my kids aren't really as savvy and into internet because they didn't have it, which is probably good. I'm just leaving a little white. Okay, there we go. We got the ducky left and we're good. Mr. Ducky. Let's do a... See, now I think I mixed... This is not citrus blend. Okay, whatever. Okay, and I'm going to go in with a citrus blend. Gold brown, yeah. I mix my caps up sometimes. Anywho, so, yeah, let me know. Gosh, it's just ridiculous. And that's just for internet. That's nothing else. I don't get my phone through that. I don't get channels with that. It's like, I pay for the extra... Ugh, it's so annoying. Everything is so expensive right now, and it's going to get worse and worse and worse. But let's not get going on that. We're doing this to distract ourselves, huh? Okay, let's see. I need an orange for his little beetsies. Oh my gosh. There you go, guys. Now, I'm probably going to go in with chalk for the background. I'm not happy with this bunny, but it is what it is. I don't think whoever receives it will go, nope, the bunny's off, sending it back. Do you think? I don't think so. I don't think they would. Anyway. Going in with a darker, put some blades of grass in there. The thing with coloring is you just got to start doing it and you find what works for you. Don't worry about what works for Kim or some expert. Just kind of watch and get ideas and then go for it. Again, it's just a piece of paper with a stamp on it. It's not... People say I'm afraid to do it. Don't be afraid. Just do it. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. But I did I remind people, I took painting for years that taught me shading and stuff. But as you can see, I really didn't do any shading on this. And it came out cute. I like it. We need a little pink cheeks there, I think. Yeah, but it's just for fun, right? Gonna put pink cheek there. This guy needs something. And I'll probably go back in, I don't know, see the dots for the eyes and do that again. But yeah. And then you can chalk the background and it will be adorables. Or leave it like this. All right, you get, oh, sorry. Take care and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.